The best financial advice for people just starting out is simple but often overlooked. Not everything that looks rich is actually wealth. Many flashy cars, designer clothes, and exotic vacations are part of a lifestyle being sold online, not a true sign of financial success. Social media makes it easy to compare yourself to others, but chasing those images often leads to going broke. The truth is, many people spend money they don't have to look successful, and in the end, they are deeper in debt, not richer. Trying to impress others is a trap. Most people showing off their wealth online aren't as wealthy as they appear. They're often paying for appearances, not building security. Real financial progress doesn't come from proving anything to strangers or keeping up with the Joneses. Most of the time, the people you are trying to impress don't even know you, and the effort to impress them adds nothing to your life. It only drains your money and your peace of mind. True wealth comes from living below your means. Many self-made millionaires don't have massive homes, luxury cars, or designer wardrobes. They make careful choices, save consistently, and invest wisely over time. Books like The Millionaire Next Door explain this clearly. About 80% of millionaires live in ordinary homes and live modestly. They didn't chase flashy lifestyles. They built money slowly and steadily. Living simply doesn't mean being poor. It means having control over your life and your finances. Long-term thinking is what separates real wealth from short-term luck. Poor financial habits focus on weeks and months, buying what feels good now, hoping for quick gains, or trying to get rich overnight. Rich people think in years and decades. They understand that building real wealth takes patience, discipline, and smart decisions made consistently. Every dollar saved and invested today multiplies over time, while quick spending or risky get-rich-quick schemes often lead to losses. Building wealth is also about mindset. Being content with your life doesn't mean settling. It means being strategic. It means knowing that every unnecessary expense is a step away from your goals. It means focusing on growth rather than image. Learning how to manage money, understanding investments, and planning for the future are far more valuable than a flashy car or an expensive watch. Every financial decision should be measured against your long-term goals, not someone else's lifestyle. Another important lesson is to avoid lifestyle inflation. As income rises, expenses often rise too, keeping people trapped in the same cycle. A higher salary does not equal wealth if all extra income is spent immediately. The key is to increase your saving, investing, and smart spending as your income grows. Staying mindful of where your money goes creates security and options. It allows you to take risks that matter, invest in opportunities, and handle emergencies without panic. Finally, patience and discipline are more important than flashy success. Quick money schemes might seem exciting, but they rarely work long-term. Real wealth comes from consistent habits, long-term planning, and avoiding distractions from social media or peer pressure. Every small choice adds up. Saving instead of splurging, investing instead of wasting, thinking in decades instead of weeks. That is the mindset that creates financial freedom. In the end, the advice is clear. Stay humble, live below your means, focus on long-term growth, and ignore the fake pressures of appearances. Money is a tool, not a trophy. Build it quietly, be patient, and let your financial security speak for itself. Those who do will not only achieve wealth, they will gain freedom, control, and peace of mind that flashy spending can never provide.